Okay, so last we're going to add the title for each of this drawing. So the main floor plan, which is drawing number one, we did it at scale 1 to 75. So depending on what scale you are using, that's the one that you want to reflect here. So drawing number two is washroom one plan at scale 1 to 20 and washroom two plan at scale 1 to 30. So normally I will add the text inside model space. And first thing you want to do is to check the text style. So I have here dim text style. You can create one using the font that you've been using. So I've been using Simplex now, annotative, okay, no height, and then we'll say 0.85 width factor, and then set that to current, okay, close. And then I'm going to maximize this and make my text 3 millimeter high. Let me stretch this so it is a little shorter. And then I'm going to create a circle here about, let's say, looks like 850. Okay, 850. And then I'm in the text layer. And then I'm going to create a line right here from the quadrant. So qua is the shortcut for the quadrant. And then I'm going to just place a line here and then start the text command T, create a text box, and then I'm using the dim text as my style, okay, dim text. And then I'm going to type here 3 mm. So 3, enter, and then type in all capital letters main floor plan and click OK. There it is. Okay. And then maybe move this. Now it looks like my text is a little bit small. So maybe I'll use the next height for text. I go to my viewport. Yeah, it looks like 3 millimeter might be small. So let me just double click on it, highlight, and change that to 6. Enter. And click outside. That looks much better. And likewise, I'd like to shorten this to only up to here. Next, I'm going to add the scale. So T space bar and then place here. Okay. 6, I think. Yes. And then type here. No, instead of 6, I think I want it smaller. So 3. Enter. And then say scale 1 to 75. Close this. Zoom back. And I would like to move this from here to align it to the floor plan. Okay. And then lastly, I'm going to add another text here, the number 1. Okay, so that should be 6 mm as well. Enter. Number 1, close text editor. And then move this to the center. From here to the center. And minimize. That looks good. And then for this one, I'm going to pan this up a little bit to give way to my title. Okay. And then double click inside and then maximize. So I'm now placing my dimension here or my details. Now, here, it might be a problem because you're going to see the drawing or the detail or the title for the washroom. So that's why sometimes it's maybe better or best to do it within paper space. Okay, so this is how you do it within model space. But in scenarios like this, you might want to do it in paper space. So how will I do that? I'm just going to create another circle using uh, this as my reference. Okay, qua. Okay, move that, or maybe move last. So that's the last item that I've created. Yeah, just that, and copy it here. Okay, and then maybe copy this as well here. So aligning them and maybe double clicking this, and I might need to unlock that and push this up a little bit. Give room for my title. Okay, so I have the same size circle now. So one is in model space, another is in paper space. So from here, I'll draw a line from quadrant. Oops, sorry. Should be in paper space. So line from quadrant. Okay, and then type T. Okay, so this is still using my text style, right? So don't forget to set your text style. And then here we'll say 6 mm. Okay, and then type washroom 1 plan. Okay, and then maybe move it lower and maybe shorten this. Okay, and then uh, I'll add the scale. So text, and then for my text, I only need 3 mm. So 3, make sure it's 3, not 300. Enter, and then type scale 1 to, sorry, 1 to 20. Close text editor, and then move this to align to the plan. Okay, add another text. So this one will be 6 mm. So 6, enter, and then type 2, close text editor, and then move that from here to there. Now I think I can delete this. So I just use that to know how much space I need for the title for this drawing. And I can just copy this from here to there, and then change that to drawing number 3. Click outside, and washroom 2 plan, and scale 1 to 30. Okay, so that ends step number 2 for our project number 1.